So recently, you guys can see this happen. My key's busted here. One of the D keys. So I'm gonna end up showing you how to replace it with the new key that I was given. So what you wanna do here is start off taking off all the outer screws you see along the outer perimeter on the back of your keyboard. These screws right here are actually ones that are attached to the keyboard itself, or rather your key bed. Then this back should come right up. There is the inside of your MIDI keyboard. Take it off. We'll also just attach that. Make sure you guys know which way this is actually going back into here. And then key bed should just come right on out. Boom. Now you can see this broken key. This is the one we'll be replacing here. So these keys are just spring loaded into here. And all you have to do is just actually flip this key up. Boom, comes out. Take your new key. Spring in one end and then put the spring in the other end right there, and then you can snap this one into place. Like so. And boom. Key's replaced. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have it be up like this because the little black piece that holds it down right there actually came off. I'll probably figure something out. Alright, so now that we got the broken key off, new key replaced, gonna go ahead and reassemble this. So what you want to do is slip it right back in. Like so. Make sure it's lined up. And then you want to reattach this. Make sure it's oriented right. Only goes in one way right here, so it shouldn't be fine. And then remember this, make sure you remember that orientation. Slip back in. Keys go lined up. Make sure that thing's out of the way. And then just reassemble the back as it was. Slip that right in here. And when you do this, start out with your key bed holes. Make sure that they're lined up. And good to go.